Hello everyone, today we will be talking about crypto wallets as well as guiding you through this challenging for novice crypto enthusiast topic. And so, are you ready to turn from a newbie to a pro crypto wallet user in just some minutes? If so, make sure to drop us a follow since it will motivate us, our team, to record even more helpful videos for you guys. And as of now, let's get it started. So, when we hear the word wallet, we immediately picture the accessories for our pockets, our purses, to hold some cash, ID card, credit or debit cards. However, cryptocurrencies don't have a physical existence, unlike cash. So blockchain technology serves as the foundation for cryptocurrencies, as we all know, and account balances, and also carries out crypto transactions. Software in cryptocurrency wallet generates and stores your private and public keys, communicates with the blockchain and keeps track of your balances, and also enables you to send and receive payments. Thus, you need to use cryptocurrency wallet in order to send, receive, store, and monitor your cryptocurrency balances. Instead of conceptualizing a wallet in a traditional sense, where money or credit cards are physically present inside the wallet, a crypto wallet can be thought of more effectively as a key to your digital assets. The wallet grants you access to the funds associated with your account because your cryptocurrencies on the blockchain, the global running ledger of transactions, are essentially just assigned to your private key. And so, to understand how cryptocurrency wallets work, consider how online banking works. So let's say that your bank is a blockchain and your bank account number is hash number. Your bank, just like the blockchain, records and tracks all transactions. And similarly to when you check your account balance using online banking apps for salary, for example, a crypto wallet allows you to check your balances as well as send and receive cryptocurrency. To access your online banking app, you must enter your username and password, which function similarly to your cryptocurrency's private key. Other users can send you money if you provide them with your bank account number. And in crypto wallets, their addresses are essentially the same as bank account numbers. You will probably agree that no one can steal money simply by knowing your bank account number, right? And in this way, knowing your wallet address, people can send you cryptocurrency, but they cannot actually access funds stored on it. For this purpose, they would need to have your private key. And also, a crucial point to consider is that you're only able to send and receive crypto to a wallet address or public key that supports it. For example, only other addresses can send and accept it. Just remember that. You can send crypto to someone if you know their public key and vice versa. And so, when cryptocurrencies are sent and received, no actual physical or digital exchange occurs between the wallets. Remember, cryptocurrency wallets interact with the blockchain, and the blockchain is where all cryptocurrency transactions are logged, and it's also where balances are tracked. Okay guys, just to recap the previous. So, a crypto wallet has software that interacts with the blockchain, then stores your public and private keys, monitors your cryptocurrency balances, and also allows you to send and receive crypto. With that in mind, why don't we break it down into two various categories of crypto wallets, hot and cold ones. But there's something you should know first. We'd like to remind you about subscribing to our channel since it helps us just a lot to keep on posting quality crypto-focused content for you guys. So just go do it. Coming back to the topic. So a hot wallet creates and stores your private keys online, while cold wallets create and store your private keys offline, just the opposite. So examples of hot wallets include desktop or mobile app software. You can use these wallets with any internet-enabled device, including computers or mobile phones. As a result, your private key is generated on a hot device, which simply means it is connected to the internet and therefore, well, potentially more susceptible to being compromised during the setup of these wallets. Nonetheless, keeping a large amount of crypto on an exchange is actually the riskiest option for the long term. Well, first of all, it is accessible 24/7, 365 days a year, which makes it the prime target for hackers. Furthermore, cryptocurrency exchanges are a prime target for crypto criminals due to their high value of the cryptocurrency that they hold. A hacker targeting any ordinary wallet we manage on our own has no idea how much money could be stolen, while cryptocurrency markets are a veritable treasure trove. And just when you thought that things could not get any stranger, well, cryptocurrency exchanges are actually rehypothecating crypto, which, without getting too technical into some terms and words, well, it means that the Ether in your account could be the same Ether that 5 other people are viewing on the exchange. In other words, if you do decide to use hot wallets, give your preference to non-custodial ones like Trust, Coinbase, Exodus, and others. These wallets create your private key in the form of a recovery phrase, which makes them safer than ones used via crypto exchanges. The most crucial moment about these hot wallets is making sure to back them up properly. Just bear in mind that if you lose access to your wallet, the only way to get it back is to remember the recovery phrase. In the event that your phone is stolen somehow or lost, you can regain access to your wallet by remembering this phrase. Your private key, or so-called recovery phrase, can be thought of a string of 12 words. These 12 letters unlock your financial future. You can literally have access to hundreds or thousands, just millions or maybe billions of dollars just by memorizing these 12 words. Crazy, ain't? Just remember to keep your wallet's private key away from any internet-connected device, like password manager or anything else of the sort. For the time being, good old-fashioned pen and paper is the best option, with copies stored in different locations in case of a disaster like fire or flood. For the time being, it's just the best to write down your recovery phrase and just keep it hidden in a safe and secure location that you only have access to. It's maybe a book or a bookshelf. Well, just think about it. Next, we have hardware wallets or cold storage wallets. Basically, they serve the same purpose. Your private key can be generated and stored in a hardware wallet without worrying about hackers getting into your online accounts. In addition to that, when dealing with monetary transactions, your money will be safer because you will have to use the hardware device and take additional security precautions. Obviously, hardware wallets offer greater security than hot software wallets, just because of the way in which private keys are generated and stored. In 2 words, a hardware wallet provides the highest level of security for your cryptocurrency holdings. The most well-known hardware wallets of today are Ledger or Trezor. The purchase of a hardware wallet requires your attention to 2 critical details. First and foremost, make sure you're getting your hardware wallets straight from the source, period. Never purchase a hardware wallet secondhand or from an unidentified source. This is because it is possible for hackers to purchase a hardware wallet, tweak or install some malicious software and then resell the device inside this malicious code. Then second, before making any purchases related to cryptocurrencies, it is just imperative, just a must, that you carefully inspect the URL that you are using. In our case, to acquire the hardware wallet. And always make sure that the URL is correct and that it uses the HTTPS protocol instead of the more common one, HTTP. Many fraudulent websites on the internet look like they are like the ones you want to visit, but they're actually using phishing scam schemes. And yeah guys, let's just sum up the previous. So once you have your private key recovery phrase stored in a safe place, you can move all your big sums of crypto from exchanges where you intend to hold it for the long term obviously to your new mobile wallets. This will suffice until your cold wallet arrives. Just make sure you check carefully the numbers, addresses, and URLs. Of course, better safe than sorry. And so guys, that was it for this video. We appreciate you sitting through this whole process and hope that you gained some valuable knowledge from this material about crypto wallets. If you found this information helpful, why don't you leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Of course, we'd love to have some feedback from you guys, even bad ones or a good one, or even just to say hi. it's really important for us to communicate with you. So, of course, stay safe and see you in the next videos.